To use an Apple Card in 2025, start by ensuring you have a compatible iPhone and the latest version of iOS. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to begin the application process. You will be prompted to enter your name, date of birth, and social security number to verify your identity. Once your application is approved, you will receive a digital Apple Card that can be used immediately for online and in-app purchases. For in-store purchases, you can add your Apple Card to your Apple Watch, iPhone, or iPad, and use Apple Pay to make contactless payments. To make a payment, open the Wallet app, select your Apple Card, and tap the Make a Payment button. You can choose to pay your total balance, the minimum payment due, or a custom amount. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. The Apple Card offers rewards in the form of daily cash, which is automatically added to your Apple Cash Card. You can earn 3% cash back on purchases made directly with Apple, 2% on purchases made using Apple Pay, and 1% on all other purchases. To get the most out of your Apple Card, make sure to use it for all your daily purchases, and take advantage of the rewards program. You can also use the Apple Card app to track your spending, view your statements, and receive notifications when a payment is due. By following these steps and using your Apple Card responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of a digital credit card with no fees, no interest charges when paid in full, and a simple and transparent rewards program. Remember to always review your statements and track your spending to ensure you are using your Apple Card in a way that works best for you.